Hey, what's happening? This is Gary from JC Wakes Ebikes in Michigan. Just want to say Happy Lunar New Year to Haidong and tell them thank you for all the great business we did last year and all the stuff we're going to do this year together. I work with Jennifer at Haidong and she is great. She's always there when I need her. I call her. I can't even tell you the different times I call her. I call her all times during the day. She always gets back with me. She's always there for me. Always there with my tracking numbers because I know everybody wants their tracking numbers. Haidong's a great company. They have great bikes. It's also enabled me to make my own brand. So, which for just being a second year bike store owner, that's an amazing thing. So you can really take advantage of their no logo bikes that you can get from them. They're great quality and they will put you on the right track with all their education and know-hows and videos. They've really helped me out a lot. So once again, I want to say Happy New Year. Thank you, Haidong. Thank you, Jennifer and the ladies. And I look forward to having an awesome year with you this year. I'm out.
Hey, this is Max with Robinson Cycle. We service the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area of the United States, and we are happy for our cooperation that we have with Haidong and their excellent e-bikes and scooters. We're looking forward and are very excited to working with them in the future as we both continue to grow, and so far we love the bikes and scooters that we've got out here. They're great to ride, and not just great to ride, but also to service and work on. So that's it. We'll see you later.
Craig Wilson here with Craig's Electric Bikes. Hi. So I wanted to do a quick little review on the company Haidong out of China. Haidong is a wonderful company to work with. If there's issues in shipping or anything, they bend over backwards to really help you, which is very, very impressive to me. Since they're so far away, you just don't know what you're getting into. But these folks have really proven themselves to be quite good. Just real quick, all of the bikes are manufactured with robotic techniques in welding. So it's all aluminum frame, they're all TIG welded, all of them have disc brakes. They all have far better batteries than any other bike I've looked at, and that includes Rad, sorry, but better than Rad, better than a lot of these bikes out there. So I'm just very impressed. But I just wanted to reach out and let people know that if you're thinking about starting a bike business or selling bikes, this manufacturer I would strongly recommend to you. My personal one is the black one on the end. That one has 3,325 miles on it, and I've done that since February of 2021. And I've got to tell you, these bikes are great. Working with the company, I've had zero problems. Miss Kia was my contact and she was great. Anyway, I thought I would just throw that out there. There is no better value, in my opinion, my professional opinion, than these bikes. They're built well. For example, these bikes have a 17.5 amp hour battery built by Sanyo or LG, the two manufacturers I trust in terms of battery cells. The electronics on these bikes are just outstanding. So anyway, I hope this helps. Everyone have a good day.